Hey there! Welcome back to Bull and Bill. If this is not a welcome back, make it by clicking the subscribe button. Today, we're diving into one of the most important tools in your financial toolkit, the brokerage account. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or just start investing, this video is for you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A brokerage account? Isn't that just for people in suits yelling at computer screens? Not at all. Brokerage accounts are for everyone. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open one, how they work, and how to use one to achieve your goals. Picture this. It's a quiet Saturday morning. You're scrolling through your favorite financial news site and read about a stock that has been performing well. You think, wow, I wish I could invest in that. The good news? With a brokerage account you can. Or imagine this. You've been saving up for years, but your savings account barely earns any interest. You're ready to make your money work harder for you. A brokerage account can be the answer. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. This is the reality for millions of people who use brokerage accounts every day to build wealth and secure their financial futures. And today, you're going to learn how to do the same. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a brokerage account? A brokerage account is an investment account that allows you to buy and sell a variety of financial assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and more. Think of it as a bridge between your money and the world of investing. Once you deposit funds into the account, you can use that money to purchase investments, which can grow in value or provide income over time. So, why would you open a brokerage account? There are a few key reasons. Growth potential. Unlike a traditional savings account, which offers minimal interest, a brokerage account allows you to invest in assets that can grow significantly over time. Flexibility. Brokerage accounts are incredibly versatile. You can use them to save for short-term goals like a vacation or long-term goals like retirement. Access to markets. A brokerage account gives you direct access to stock markets, bonds, mutual funds, and even more niche investments like real estate investment trusts, REITs. To put it simply, if you want your money to grow faster than it would sitting in a savings account, a brokerage account is the way to go. There are two primary types of brokerage accounts: taxable accounts and tax-advantaged accounts. Taxable accounts. These are straightforward. You can deposit or withdraw money anytime, and there are no limits on how much you can invest. The catch? You'll pay taxes on any earnings like dividends or capital gains. Tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts are designed for specific purposes like saving for retirement. Examples include IRAs or individual retirement accounts and 401(k)s. The big benefit? Tax advantages such as tax-deferred growth or even tax-free withdrawals in some cases. Understanding these differences is crucial because the type of brokerage account you choose will depend on your financial goals. If you're planning for retirement, a tax-advantaged account might be the best option. But if you want more flexibility, a taxable account could be the way to go. Now that you know what a brokerage account is and why it's important, let's talk about how to open one. It's easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a brokerage firm. Look for one that fits your needs. Are you a beginner? Pick a firm with a user-friendly platform and educational resources. Want to trade frequently? Look for low or no trading fees. Complete the application. Most brokerages let you apply online. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, you'll need to transfer money into it. This can be done via bank transfer, check, or even wire transfer. Start investing. Once your funds are in the account, you're ready to start investing. Choose assets that align with your goals and risk tolerance. See? It's not as daunting as it seems. And remember, many online brokers offer tools to help you get started, from robo-advisors to educational content. Let's take a moment to bust some myths about brokerage accounts. Myth: you need a lot of money to start. Fact: many brokerage accounts have no minimum deposit requirements. You can start with as little as $10 or $20. Myth: investing is risky. Fact: all investments carry some risk, but you can minimize it by diversifying your portfolio and sticking to a long-term strategy. Myth: it's complicated. Fact: modern brokerage platforms are designed to be user-friendly even for beginners. Plus, there are plenty of resources to guide you. Let's look at some inspiring stories of how people have used brokerage accounts to achieve their goals. Emma's story. Emma started investing $100 a month into an index fund through her brokerage account. Over 10 years, her investments grew to over $15,000, thanks to compound interest. Mark's journey. Mark wanted to save for his child's college education. He opened a brokerage account and invested in a mix of bonds and stocks. By the time his child turned 18, the account had grown enough to cover tuition. Sophia's strategy. Sophia used her brokerage account to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Over time, these dividends became a source of passive income, supplementing her salary. Here are a few tips to make the most of your brokerage account. Start early. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Even small amounts add up over time. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Stay consistent. Regular contributions, even if they're small, can have a big impact over the long term. Educate yourself. Take advantage of the educational resources offered by your brokerage firm. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Let's recap what we've covered. A brokerage account is a flexible tool for investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. There are two main types: taxable and tax-advantaged accounts. Opening a brokerage account is easier than ever, with low fees and user-friendly platforms. Starting early, diversifying, and staying consistent are key to long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Bull and Bill for more financial tips. Let's build your financial future together. See you next time.